social media, emails, texts. We all want to stay connected. And while I love technology, I gotta ask, do you remember when we used to write notes on paper? You know, simple lists, love notes, little reminders. Well, if you like technology and are old enough to remember handwritten notes, listen up, because I'd like to introduce you to me, Memobird. I'm a tiny printer that quickly prints off personal messages, images, notes, or lists sent from friends, family, loved ones, or even your own phone. You simply connect me to a Wi-Fi network, and anyone with a smartphone can download the app and connect with me. Just think of it. You could use me to surprise your child with a special message, so they know you're thinking of them. Remind your mom you're there for her, even if she's not tech-savvy. Make sure you have milk for tomorrow's breakfast. Nobody likes dry cereal. Give your students encouragement. Show the extra effort was worth it. Or share your recipes. That's if you're willing to. Now, you may like my curves, but I'm much more than just a good body. Like the fact I can be connected through a Wi-Fi network or directly through Bluetooth. That I'm a perfect companion for aging parents because you don't have to have a smartphone to receive printed messages. And because I use heat to print messages and not ink, you never have to refill me. Also, I can print on this, or this. And of course, I come in different colors. Really, there's simply no better way to instantly send a real, personal paper message to anyone, anywhere, than with me. Memobird, because sometimes a text is not enough. For play, for work, for life.